The passenger side wiring begins here with some wire connectors. Some of these wires continue out towards the back of the car, bundled together here. Continuing through the back seat location and into the trunk. There's a yellow connector branch out here, while the main wiring comes here to a ground location for many of the wires, as well as some wiring behind this panel and out and up towards the rear brake lights, as well as some wiring to a printed circuit board here and along the middle of the car with a yellow cable connector out to the middle. Continuing to another yellow cable that connects to the driver's side cabling, as well as running up to the driver's side brake lights, as well as some wiring leading to an end which is not connected to anything in my case.